for your presentation?
Medyo po. Ang topic po namin is the history of women in science. Pero meron po akong mas magandang idea. What if we focus more on successful women ngayon, like CEOs or tech innovators, para mas relatable, di ba?
Actually, Rod, idea sounds easy to present. Mas catchy and inspiring for the class, you know.
What if we meet halfway? Pwede naman siguro na half history, half modern day women. Para na-cover lahat.
I agree. That way, hindi magiging one-sided. May balance ng past and present.
Okay, I guess. Pero ayaw ko na yung seriously allocated. Gusto ko like yung presentation.
We can definitely make it engaging. Even we discuss the history. Pwede naman tayong mag-focus sa mga inspiring stories ng mga women who broke barrier.
Okay, fine. Let's make it half history and half modern day success. Pero I'll lead the part of the current leaders since that's more of my thing.
I think we should both lead. We're supposed to present it equally naman. So the views, or ang importante, yung both views natin.
Okay, let's split the parts. Ako sa modern leaders, ikaw sa history, then pag natapos, pagsamahin na lang natin.
That's a good compromise. Remember, teamwork ang mahalaga dito and how we handle different opinions.
Yeah, ang ganda ng balance no actually. Both ideas matter. And showing that progress comes from understanding the past is super important.
Alright, let's finalize this. Let's start working then.